Hello friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams, just stopping by to show you some of the latest goodies that I just got from Not Too Shabby. I know, I just had another product share the goodies that I got from them, but I just can't resist. Their store has some of the best things ever. So let's take a look at what I've got today. I'm starting with the I Want It All bundle for the bubble tea. I just couldn't resist this. It's so cute. You get a paper pad, a stencil, the dies, the stamp set, and ephemera. So fun. The paper has 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each designs, and they're super duper cute, plus very versatile. Fun stencil designed by Crafty Owl. Lots of bubbles. That'll be fun. Excuse me, for more than just the bubble tea. I can see this being used with like my mermaids and stuff. Fun. The stamp set is I Heart Bubble Tea. Has lots and lots of ways that you can make your bubble tea. You can make it with faces and hearts, and has the donut there. The coordinating dies. And I like that Jamie has included this die here to make a little slit there, so to make it easier to create like the whipped cream and stuff. And then the ephemera. So that is the I Want It All bundle for bubble tea. And since I spent over $60, I got a free gift, and it's This Calls for Confetti, and it's Citrus Sunset. Have to tell you, I am becoming addicted to this Calls for Confetti. It is so cool and so neat. And then next, I went and signed up for the Paper Pad Club. I debated and then finally decided that I just thought it would be a fun way to challenge myself to use these paper pads because they're just so pretty and make me create more, hopefully. This particular one is sold out, but I would encourage you, the minute that it comes available on the 1st, I believe it's the 1st, that you go and sign up for it. You get 2 paper pads delivered every month. There's 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. I know that there's some cut-aparts included sometimes and stuff. Super fun. If you sign up to get it monthly, which there's a drop-down menu, you'll save you some money. And then you have fun new paper coming to you every month. And I think that will be so much fun. And I can't wait to create with these two, especially this one. I love those bright, bright colors. And this one has such pretty, pretty colors. Yep, I can't wait to create with both of those. And then I added on a few things that I've been wanting. Jamie has shown this die that she's been using. It's from LDR's Creative. It's the Floral Scallop Slimline, and the bottom layer creates your slimline. I haven't played with it yet, so I'm not sure. I did look and it's out of stock, but maybe it'll come back in stock. I've included links for everything in the description box below, but I'm excited for that. And then I've wanted this set from the Greeting Farm for quite a while. It's called Beautiful Girls, and so I went and picked that up. In case you didn't know, Not Too Shabby Shop has lots and lots of companies of your favorite brands and products, so I guarantee there's lots to grab your attention there. So there's what I just got from Not Too Shabby. I am a little under the weather this week with allergies, but I hope to be back to creating really soon with all of these fun products. Hopefully have some videos up for you and just have fun. Again, everything is linked below. Thanks for stopping by, and until my next video, have an amazing day.